In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Foundation Double Crochet. Foundation Double Crochet combines the starting chain and the first row of double crochet stitches into one step. Instead of making a long chain first and then crocheting back into it, you create both the chain and the stitch at the same time. Many crocheters like foundation stitches because they're easier to count, they create a more flexible edge, and you don't have to worry about making too many or too few chains before starting your project. Before we get started, if you enjoy simple step-by-step crochet tutorials designed for left-handed crocheters, consider subscribing. It's completely free, and tap the bell so you don't miss future videos. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn and let's get started. My tutorials are in US crochet terms. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook and a medium weight yarn, but you can use whatever hook size and yarn you have on hand. Start by placing a slip knot on your hook. Chain 3. We're now going to work into the first chain we made. That's this chain here. Yarn over, insert your hook into that chain, picking up 2 loops so that you have 2 loops on the top of your hook and 1 loop on the bottom. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop only. That creates the chain portion of the foundation stitch. You still have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. That completes your first foundation double crochet stitch. Let's take a closer look before we continue. This section at the bottom is the chain portion, and this section at the top is the double crochet stitch. Each new stitch will be worked into the chain portion of the previous stitch. To make the next foundation double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain portion of the stitch you just made. That's this section here. Make sure you're inserting under 2 loops only. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop only. That creates the next chain portion. You still have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. That completes your second foundation crochet stitch. Let's do that again. Yarn over, insert into the chain portion under 2 loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. We'll do a few more together. Yarn over, insert into the chain portion, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert into the chain portion, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One thing to watch for is accidentally inserting your hook into this space here instead of into the chain portion. You've picked up more than 2 loops, so you know you're in the wrong spot. Make sure you're inserting under only the 2 loops that form the chain portion of the previous stitch. Let's take a look at our finished stitches. Across the top, you can see the V-shaped double crochet stitches, and along the bottom, you can see the foundation chain that was created while we worked. Compared to a traditional starting chain, foundation double crochet creates a more flexible edge and can be much easier to work with, especially when you're making projects with long starting chains. It's commonly used for blankets, scarves, shawls, garments, and other projects where you want the starting edge to have a little bit more stretch. Like all foundation stitches, it can feel awkward at first because you're creating 2 parts of the stitch at the same time. But after a little practice, many crocheters find it faster and easier than working into a long chain. If you found this tutorial helpful, a thumbs up helps other left-handed crocheters find it. And if you have any questions, please pop them into the comments. Thanks for watching.